Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got hold some new problem which says the total number of matrices that can be formed using 12 different letters such that no letter is repeated in any matrix is equal to. So, first, the idea is you should have little bit of understanding about the permutation combination thing. Then only you guys can handle this question, but still I'll try my level best to explain you. Now look at this. You know that there are 12 elements. So first you should decide the number of order, okay, number of order that is possible by using 12 elements. So can I say that, sir, we can go with 1 cross 12? This matrix is possible, means row will be 1 and the count of column will be 12. Okay, so this is possible. Also we can go with 2 cross 6. There will be 2 rows and 6 columns. There will be 3 rows, 4 columns. And if you'll all like try to read this product, it will always be equal to the number of elements. So if you want to find out the number of elements, you will just multiply. Okay, now you can change the order as well. So it can become 4 cross 3, 6 cross 2 and 12 cross 1. So how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 different types of matrix is possible. Okay, so look at this. So required number. So first you know that there are total number 6. So 6 ways are possible. Now you know that there is a vacancy of 12 places. There is 12 place. Like suppose you are considering one of the case. So one of the case means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there is 12 empty space. So for this place, we guys have how many elements? We guys have 12 elements. Correct? Now, is your task completed? No. So you have to multiply. Now, for this place, you know that repetition is not allowed. So you cannot reuse the element that you have used. So out of 12 element, one element must be placed over here. So we are left with 11 choices. So for this place, we have 11 choices. Is your task completed? No. Till the time your task is not completed, you have to multiply. Now for this place, 10. And now 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this many ways are possible. So I can write 12 factorial. So 6 times 12 factorial. So this is the required number of ways. I hope this question is clear. Based on similar idea, we have another question using letters this. So there are 6 elements. Okay, so first decide the number of ways you guys can make matrix. So can I go with 1 cross 6 matrix? Can I go with 2 cross 3 matrix? Can I go with 3 cross 2 matrix? And can I go with 6 cross 1 matrix? So there are 4 possible ways. So can I write the required number will be 4 times something. Now suppose that you will consider any one of the case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for this place we guys have 6. Now for this place we have 5 because we have to use only these elements. And then 4, 3, 2, 1. And you know that here elements are being repeated. So whenever the elements are repeated, so like look at this. So here there are 6 elements. So what we will do? We will be writing 6 factorial, out of which a is repeating thrice. So you should divide by 3 factorial. B is being repeated twice, so divided by 2 factorial. So this is the required element, required number of matrix. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.